learning by mistake and by training and by small improvements is something completely clear in sports. Why people believe it's different for other type of thinking and learning, I don't understand. It's the same process for every single ways. If you learn how to play an instrument, it's going to be the same. You are going to fail, and you are going to improve slowly. In mathematics, it's the same thing. So why are we asking kids, for instance, why are we surprised that the first time we are asking him to understand what's a negative number, let's say, that he's confused? It's normal. He's going to learn it, but it's going to be slow. What we teach our kids is not so obvious. They are non-trivial concepts. So, of course, it takes time to acquire. How do I learn math myself, right? Because I do that for a living, and I do that since the beginning of my life, basically. And I can say that there is not a single time where I understand immediately some math concept. I always need to acquire it. I need to rewire my intuition to manage to understand the thing. And this process of making mistakes, of changing my way of looking at the problem, of understanding that I'm wrong, this process is something that I think should be advertised much more among youngsters, in particular through collaborative work and collaborative learning, because I think that your peer are the best people to make you change your mind on something or make you understand that you are maybe not looking in the right direction. And this part of the process, I think it's very important.